Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Oremi Jusmo, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. If you are watching this very program, share across every other platforms and hit the like button, please. I have come again. If you are listening to me, now is the same thing that I faced during the time that I was preaching against Master Simon Ekpa. I was called all sorts of names. That is the same thing that I'm facing now. But I do not send you. Me and you, who is wrong? If I support evil, any shape or form, come with Allah. But if you are supporting evil, with Allah, that is just it. And let me just say this. I have watched and see there is one guy arrogating himself, saying he is Commander Royce. I have gotten that Commander Royce is different from Butuzo. Butuzo is a commander. How many times have you seen Butuzo on social media? These criminals, when they wanted to implement whatever they wanted, did a manipulation saying that Butuzo commanded that they should not remove this, they should not remove that. They put the voice of this man on the social media to seek for sympathy. All of them should go back to the same Butuzo. Why are they running from the same Butuzo? This social media manipulation, social media seeking of sympathy. And let me say, these people in this group are what I can call criminals. Let me begin from Nkere. Nkere, if you have nothing to hide, why must you pay our media warriors, those who are with you today? If you have nothing to hide, why must you people send somebody to me? People, not somebody. People who continue to tell me to support you people. Why must you? Before this charade that come online, why must you people come in the secret to confuse me or to convince me that I should support you people? If you have nothing to hide, I do not support people based on you come, convince me or support me. I don't. You have a questionable character and it is written all over your face. My spirit rejects you. Right from the time, forget about I post you on my social media, it is because you work with PM. Right from time, my spirit rejected you. And people in your camp are people of questionable character. I don't know how true this is, but I'm getting to know that you are Ifan your best brother, but I'm coming to that. Let me continue this my preaching, please. Another person is the one who called himself Commander Royce. This boy is very useless social media commander. Hear it from me. You command BDF. How many tasks have BDF fulfilled? For you to run rubbish. This was what you did the last year, and you lied and denied that it was not you. I have been on the ground. I told people who reach out to me that you were the person that posted that thing, not your second in command. Last year, you started challenging Prime Minister, and it is good that you are bringing out those whom you plan it with. Last year, December, you started challenging Prime Minister exactly 1 year today, November, December. You said that you are not going to execute whatever Prime Minister said because people are doing December. That was what you did last year, and you continue to post it. Up till the time that I countered you, I told you you are not the only one on the ground. I have been on the ground during the days of very hard to manipulate. I have been on the ground. You are not the only one on the ground making noise on social media. Butuzo is there. Which platform did he have? Why can't he make noise on social media? You are not the only commander. Out of the commanders, you are even a little in their eyes. But every time you make noise, you challenged Prime Minister last year, And when Prime Minister posted that you are a sellout, that if you continue to oppose the district that you are a sellout, that was when you started begging, putting all kinds of names. My daddy, I call you my daddy. Please forgive me. I was away. It was my secretary. Now, to anyone listening to me, that's a pure lie. There is no way that you can give somebody in charge of your social media and that person will post anything without your consent. He said he was away, he kept his phone. It was his secretary that was posting it, which is a pure lie and a pure fallacy. Why is it that immediately Prime Minister posted against you, you suddenly come back? You was away, and immediately he tweeted against you. Immediately you come back. It is now that I'm coming in. And for days you have shown your madness. You are very useless. Come on, get out. I told you that you will useless yourself on social media. Who is Chiamaka Ajare again? People in your camp are people of questionable character, and I can never support any one of you. You people, we are people that came to me to preach that I must support you people. For what? Support you in what way? In this your madness. And when I speak, you send your cockroaches. I have been through this. I was through this during the days of Nassau. I was through this during the days of IPOB. And I will be through this. Do you think that propaganda, lies, and deceit move me? I am a Managoremi Jews. If I can be in exile, no money, I am unbribable. If I need money, I could have gone to these criminals long ago. I still remain gallant in Managoremi Jews. Let me move, please. Chiamaka Ajare was one of those insulting Prime Minister. When I had problem last year with Chiamaka Ajare, I told him, remember your confession when you made a U-turn. You did not confess that you saw good things that we were doing. That is the reason why you made a U-turn. What you said is that you went to join the criminals in DOS, but they said that they cannot forgive you. And you said if they cannot forgive you, that means that they are evil. You made a U-turn here. You have, this is making 3 times. You have insulted this very struggle. The 2 times we are insulting Prime Minister. Each time you make a U-turn to ask. This charade and rubbish that the criminals in DOS are doing, you made a U-turn and you are giving them information. I can bet with my life that you speak with those in DOS. I bet with my life. Not to, you see this your chameleon color. I hear say you be pastor. Pastor where they say, me when they confess say I dey pursue woman, I am better than you. Do you know how many women that came to confess to me? Even when I did program against you last year, I never knew that there are heaps of women. Immediately I do that program, they started reaching out to me. Is that true? This one will say you promise him, you promise her marriage. This one will say you promise her marriage. You use your office to chase women up and down. If you want to chase women, don't use that very office. Just go to women jejely and chase them. Not do you know who I am? And that is the reason why you are holding up to that very office, so that you can chase as many women as you want. You people can keep on lying to our people. The Biafra government still control all the armed forces. The only criminal talking rubbish on social media is this one that called himself Royce. Previously, we were arrogating him that he is Butuzo. I told some people that he is Butuzo, not knowing that Butuzo is different. Butuzo not even make noise. We were saying, oh, Royce is Butuzo, Royce is Butuzo, Royce is Butuzo. Due to what? When Butuzo give out voice, he will give out written note that he have commanded. At that juncture, it was this your rubbish that made me to reach out to some people to confirm the legitimacy of your criminality. And I have to get that you have no connection with you are a very different person. You command what is called BDF and not Liberation Army. What is your work and contribution in this very struggle? Using it to attract politicians. That's the only thing. I hate rubbish. Now, Chiamaka, Ajare, I have exposed you. The one called Akparawa, I have not gotten any evidence against you. But this, standing with this criminal is one of the evidence. You know me, I go talk my own. Even though I have gotten many gossip against you, but no evidence. Me, I go talk my own. I have gotten many of your incompetence, but I take that as a gossip, even though it is an information. I say it is a gossip, but you have proven that gossip to be reality with your dealings. You are just ordinary but a criminal, I will say. Then let me go back to Nkere. Nkere, before now, you people liaise with Uruagu. That video that Uruagu did was insulting you, saying, oh, look at what you are doing with people, shows that you are implants. That words is what we call intelligent words. That you should send the numbers of those who are insulting you, let him deal with them, and that if you have repented, he will shield you. That thing, you are in connection with Ikenga. Because if you people are not in connection with Ikenga, the same time you people were reaching out to me that there is a problem that will come out, I must not partake. That same time, Okpontu n'Uruagu, not Ikenga, Nwanyi Ogechukwu n'Uruagu, was equally updating and saying that I will be the one that will be used against to divide this very struggle. I see things. I have served at IPOB Intelligence Department, and I know things. You people can go and be confusing the people that you are confusing. But let it be known that any one of you who are insulting me today, if you make a U-turn, thunder will fire you. Continue with your stupidity. If you make a U-turn, thunder will fire you. I am saying those who are insulting me. If you make a U-turn, thunder will fire you. You are becoming another DOS. With your language, structure. Defend account. Defend this. This group of criminals run propaganda for whatsoever. Nkere have not been loyal. The person giving mantle of leadership is Ngozi Orabeze, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. You're supposed to be loyal under her. And you have not been loyal whatsoever. What you go on social media is craft lies and lie. Did you people even tell people that you wanted Emmanuel Oromijus to support your people? Hello? And when I make a U-turn, I cannot support evil people. You people come to send your cockroaches. I call them cockroaches because when I read their nonsense, I dey laugh. But the people say, no, you talk too much. But they will watch your people updating lies every minute. And they will not tell them that they talk too much. When I update the truth, you talk too much. Is it only you? Shut up. This and that. Get out. Emmanuel Oromijus will never support evil of any type, shape, or form. I can never support evil of any type, shape, or form. Now, I have seen yesterday there was a propaganda that these people were running. First, let me clarify something. You people have lied to us, and lied to us. When I was asking about our Prime Minister's whereabouts, this criminal called, what are they calling him, Royce, or whatsoever that you call yourself, you came on air to say that you have spoken with PM and that everything is okay. Why must you be lying? And if you lie and lie, when I updated, I have bashed those people who told me that Prime Minister is at house, Prime Minister is this, but all the misinformation was coming from you people. Because they will tell me, oh, go and listen to what Roy said. He has spoken to Prime Minister. He is at home. And I will come and update people that Prime Minister is at home. Not knowing that you are lying. Why must you people be lying to our people just like this? Why? Why? The same people you deceive are following you up and down. I can never follow anybody who is lying. The one called Akparawa said that Prime Minister is at home. Later he said that Prime Minister went on a national issue. Is this type of lie that your people want to use to buy? By the way, you are using lies to manipulate them. The same lies you used when I was asking about the whereabouts of our Prime Minister. If you know me, I stand straight in whatever I do. And the all update that I have gotten was given to me by fake information. Though I know people that gave me real information. But the numbers of people giving me fake information were much. I know people who gave me real information and people who made a mistake in their informations. But the numbers of people, this that they will come, oh, why are you talking like this? I listened to your program. Oh, Prime Minister is sleeping. Prime Minister is at home. Prime Minister Chiliro, Prime Minister Nachiochi. You that called yourself Royce, you said that you spoke with Prime Minister. What a big lie. And Biafrans don't have anything to hide. What were you people hiding? At the same time that you were lying to people that you spoke with Prime Minister, the letter that came out dated 22 November, if I'm not mistaken. 22 November, that means at that moment, you people are still writing letter to take over the office of Prime Minister, to overthrow Prime Minister. But in the public, you are still telling people that you spoke with Prime Minister. Have you not speak with Prime Minister again? Anybody who take you serious have a mental problem. I am telling all of you the fact. I hate lies of whatsoever. Ogechukwu Nkere. Akparawa said that the Prime Minister is at house, no cause for alarm. Let a national issue. And people we are coming, oh, don't you? When I speak to people, oh, don't you hear what the Information Minister said? The Prime Minister is at house. Don't you hear what Royce said? He spoke with Prime Minister. Don't use that language. They started calling me Sabu when I was trying to update all of you. At this moment, everyone must use that hashtag, tag Prime Minister, tag Finland. We must go and continue our media propagation of the gospel. Tag every evil of Nigerian atrocities to Finland so that they know the evil committed by Nigerian authorities and that Prime Minister is a good guy. These same lies that you people use during the time that we were asking about Prime Minister, that's the same lies that you people are using. But in whatsoever way, some of you, all of you, if you don't make U-turn, you will end up like the criminals in DOS, who will no longer talk about Biafra. That I can guarantee you. When I received the spiritual message of this very problem that is happening, Euphoria, when I said it to you people come to attack me, I was told that problem is going to come. But I should be observant. Observe. And I observe how you people are coming to me. I was observing how some people was trying to tempt my social media, telling me, oh, if you speak too much, people are going to run propaganda. Some people went as far as telling me, this thing that is going to happen, don't talk, stay on your own, because if you talk, people are going to attack you. Why are you already afraid of Emmanuel Jews? I observe how Okpontu Uruagu, I told you people that you people are not intelligent enough, was posting me saying that I will divide the struggle. I observe. I put 1 plus 1. People coming in my inbox, and this one that he is saying, I already know the channel. All of you are criminals. You work for the DOS and wise. Their main goal is to divide the people. Using this criminal called the Royce. Oh, listen to Royce. Is Royce your God? Is he not the one that challenged Prime Minister? Have you not challenged Prime Minister? Have you not called Prime Minister names and lied that it was his secretary? It was never his secretary. For what he posted about Prime Minister and bashing Prime Minister, no secretary have that mindset to post it without hearing his Oga. Oga, I am too intelligent. No secretary anywhere have mind to post that particular thing that you, criminal Royce, posted last year without hearing from your Oga. You have crossed the Rubicon, point of no return. Yesterday, when I speak to some people, I was told that you're a social media commander. I was told that you're a social media commander. For the avoidance of doubt, I was a product of underground. And don't you think that as a journalist, I don't have link to the same underground to get information? I decided to hands up for years. I said I don't want to go or communicate to anybody underground to know anything. For years, I said I maintain this only program that I do here. But your madness made me to seek for informations. And I was wrong all this while, calling you Butuzo. And Ishi Nebugi. Oh, Butuzo, Ishi Nebugi. Now, Zagi, I'm a monkey the walk, baboon the chop. Onyogi. Monkey the walk, baboon the chop. If you, why I am talking to you in this way is because you are being used to deceive our brothers. You are being used to deceive our people. And you will stop that madness. Otherwise, I will insult you the more. You can't do me anything. Let me tell you. If you think that your madness, you were a madness, I will tell you that I was a product of underground. I just hands up. Me, for years, I hands up. What I say on this very platform is what I do. Anybody underground that you say, apart from recent time due to your madness, I just go to get information about whom you are. Anybody who will say that Emmanuel Jews have communicated to him underground, let that person come out. For years, going to more than how many this thing now? If you call me and say, oh, my brother, I'm calling, I'm a man on the ground, I bounce your call. Ask some people. I'm man on the ground, I bounce your call. That word is a no-go area to me. And once I bounce it, I will not pick it again. If I pick it, know that I did a mistake, thinking that it's another person. I have consistently maintained this level of diligence this time. And your criminality is no longer permitted. I am a man who stands on the principle of equity, fairness, and justice. Retrace your step. And to all of you joining this propaganda, I will say you are welcome. So I have had the laughable. Oh, the last account is for this. When Ogechukwu Nkere seized the main account, hijacked the 2 accounts. I heard him saying he borrowed money that Uche was calling him every now and then. Dangote, you borrow the money. Nobody knows. You brought this, you brought that. This is how you people lie. Mgbe Ejima happened, also now Prime Minister knows nobody. He was the one doing this and doing that. Ibidokwe, Onyoshi. I brought this person. Did you know how he sleep? Oh, the person that you are asking, did he know how he sleep? Did you know how that person sleep? Did you know how I sleep in Finland? And you did not even ask, as in all that person with Biafra. Everyone is contributing. My own contribution here is on Oku Kanu. Only even Omweben Fire. I go name him Tate. And I refuse to be sabo. I am waiting for the day that Biafra will come. As of all as few, I have seen the handwriting on the wall, what Okpontu Uruagu is doing. It is called brain game. He is trying to use idea to correct what he have done. Oh, Ogechukwu Nkere, look at what you are doing with small children. If you have decided to repent, I will shelter you, I will cover you. I know that you are underground agent with them. So go and retire, or else you will hear it hot. They cannot use you to divide this very God-ordained struggle. They cannot use you. And since Prime Minister was arrested, look at the way that you people, Okpontu in charge, selling our people on the ground. Look at the way. Every route. She have not gotten that place. And look at what happened on the ground. Ndoshi. And I have warned people. Be careful, these people will sell you. Be careful. Anybody who brings out money to pay anybody in a struggle have ulterior motive. It's not the love of Biafra. There is what we call support. I am supporting you. But once you put that person in the template of paying the person, or if the person don't have, you support the person till the time that the person do this. It is called support. But once you put anybody in template of payment, there is a motive to that, and there is somewhere that the money is coming from. Ordinary mechanic mechanic in America. American. Your people must be careful in your lies, deceits, and evil manipulation. I am telling all of you to be careful. I still remain your one and only Manai Jews, known as the Grace Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Watch out, shall go mine. It's just a matter of time. Una, good morning, please.